Do you want to switch your iMessage to SMS or SMS to iMessage? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step process on how you switch your SMS to iMessage or iMessage to SMS so that you can choose the one you want. Solution 1. Switch from setting. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, find the Message app, tap Messages, ensure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on Send and Receive and make sure to active your iMessage on iPhone with number or Apple ID. If your iMessage is active, automatically this will send iMessage to those who also has iMessage enabled. Now, if you go back and scroll down, here you will see an option that called Send as Text Message. If only want to send iMessage, I repeat, iMessage. Then turn it off, Send as SMS. If you turn it off, then your message will be sent as iMessage. However, if you want to send iMessage, the text message, then you need to turn on this feature. Then this will send text message. For iMessage, I always encourage everyone to active iMessage from iCloud. To do that, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap iCloud, scroll down, tap See All, find out iMessage and tap on it. Make sure to turn on Use this iPhone. After that, tap Sync Now. Switching back to iMessage is typically as simple as ensuring your settings are correct and your internet connection is stable. If this helped, let me know in the comments.